How to add credit card to Discord. So here is a step-by-step guide to add a credit card to your Discord account. First of all you have to do is go to a web browser and navigate to the discord.com. You will have to go to the website version of Discord in order to add a credit card because the app version does not allow it. Now, once you are logged in, tap on the user settings option available next to your username at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then simply at the left hand side panel, you can see billing option available. Tap on it. Inside billing, tap on the add payment method option available there. Then inside add payment method, you will get to see two options available, credit card or PayPal. Tap on the credit card. Then all you have to do is enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, billing zip, and postal code. Then your card is now added for purchase like Nitro, Server Boost, or subscriptions. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.